warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ina Badriawati Dali. I am from class Q&A. I will presentation about synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Title: Synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Objective: student can study synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide (UHP) crystal qualitative analysis. Crystal is the arrangement of atom organic in three-dimensional space. The regularity of the arrangement occurs because it must fulfill the geometrical condition, the provisions of the bonding of atom, and the arrangement of the meeting. Although it is not easy to express how the atoms are arranged in a solid, but there are things that could be an important factor that determine the formation of polyhedral coordination arrangement of atoms. Ideally, the most stable arrangement is polyhedral coordination that allows the energy per unit volume at a minimum. Okay, next, tool and material. This is a tool of practicum synthesis of UHP. Okay, next, the material of practicum synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Specific materials: 1. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2, 2. Mangan dioxide MnO2, 3. Urea or CON2H4. Next, potassium permanganate KMnO4, and next, sulfuric acid H2SO4. And general material aqueous and filter paper. Okay, next, experimental work scan. The first step, weighing the solid urea and put into beaker. Next, measure 15 ml H2O2, 30% solution, and put into 100 ml Erlenmeyer. Next, put the H2O2 solution that has been measured carrier into a Erlenmeyer containing urea solid dissolved. Next, heating an Erlenmeyer that has been filled with a mixture of H2O2 and urea in a water bath. Next, heating a mixture of H2O2 and concentrate urea which is located in a battery dish placed on a beaker filled with 40 ml of top water. Next, weighing the obtained needle crystal and product 1.0468 gram. Okay, next, qualitative analysis. First step, weigh 0.1 grams of the synthesis crystal, and next, put in a test tube and dissolve it with 3 ml of water. Next, add the MnO2 solid to the test tube and observe the O2 gas bubble that are formed. Next, the solution turn black and a little bubble formed. Okay, next, observation result. 1. Synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. Treatment 1. Weighing the solid urea and put into a beaker. Observation. Urea weight 1.2 grams. Through two treatment, measure 15 ml H2O2 30% solution and put into a 100 ml Erlenmeyer. Observation. Volume 15 ml and color solution. Treatment 3. Put the H2O2 solution that has been measured carry into a Erlenmeyer containing urea solid dissolved. Observation. White in color and solute. Treatment 4. Heating an Erlenmeyer that has been filled with a mixture of H2O2 and urea in a water bath. Observation. Clear but concentration solution. Treatment 5. Heating a mixture of H2O2 and concentrate urea which is located in a petri dish. Placed on a beaker filled with 40 ml of top water. Observation. Little crystal formed in a petri dish. Treatment 6. Weighing the obtained little crystal. Observation. 1.0468 grams crystal. Point 2. Qualitative analysis. Treatment 1. Weighing 0.1 grams the synthesis crystal. Treatment. Observation. 0.1 grams crystal. Treatment 2. Put in a test tube and dissolve it with 3 ml water. Observation. The solution is homogeneous and white in color. Treatment 3. Add the MnO2 solid to the test tube. Observation. The solution color in black and a little bubble formed. In the experiment, namely the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide (UHP) by reacting urea and hydrogen peroxide. As for the stage to synthesis UHP by crystal formation UHP and peroxide, the crystal formed are UHP. To see the presence of hydrogen peroxide using qualitative tests. 1. Synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide. The synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide is carried out using 3.4 ml of hydrogen peroxide, which is reacted with 1.2 grams of urea solid. Then the mixture inside the Erlenmeyer is heated in a water bath until the solution turns clear. The purpose of heating is to increase the temperature in the solution so as the accelerate the reaction between hydrogen peroxide and the solid of urea, thus forming a homogeneous solution. Then the solution is transferred into the watch glass while being heated with a low temperature. It aims to accelerate the solvent evaporation process to accelerate the formation of UHP crystal. So UHP crystals are formed, which are in the form of needle crystal. The UHP crystal products are 1.04868 grams. Okay, will the UHP formation reaction is CON2H4 plus H2O2 produk CH6N2O3. Next, qualitative analysis. Qualitative testing is a test that aims to test the existence of an element in a sample of the presence or absence of compounds in a sample. In the qualitative test, the synthesis results were complete dissolved in 25 ml of water. This is because urea compounds and H2O2 compounds dissolve well in water, and hydrogen bonds will occur when the addition of MnO2 or black color is sent. A gas bubble form in the test tube. This can be sent the presence of gas or water on the test tube wall and the presence of gas bubble contained in the solution. The purpose of adding MnO2 is to catalyze the decomposition of H2O and O2 so that O2 gas is formed in the test tube. The solution turns black and there is an O2 gas bubble. Okay, next the reaction that occur are MnO2 plus H2O 2 produk MnO3 plus H2O MnO3 plus H2O2 produk MnO2 plus O2 plus H2O. Okay, next solution. From the urea hydrogen peroxide synthesis experiment, the crystal mass of UHP is 1.0468 grams. In the qualitative analysis, the result obtained where the solution is black and bubble of O2 gas are formed, and percent UHP synthesis from the experiment is 58%. Okay, next. Thank you for your attention.